Hello guys, we are thrilled to introduce to you an exciting and innovative new money-earning cashback application, specifically designed to provide you with the latest opportunities for saving. This app is a breakthrough in the realm of online shopping and rewards, setting a new standard for cashback apps available on the market today. The name of this revolutionary app is ShopCash app. With the ShopCash app, you can seamlessly shop through the app on any associated platform and enjoy cashback rewards for every purchase you make. This app not only enhances your shopping experience, but also ensures you get a little something back each time you spend. To start your journey towards smarter shopping and great savings, visit the Play Store and download our app, aptly named ShopCash. Once you've downloaded the app, the setup is simple. Register your account using the referral code W76VFP, ensuring you unlock all potential benefits right from the get-go. After completing your registration, you'll have the option to share your unique referral code with friends and family, allowing them to benefit from the application, while simultaneously earning an additional reward for yourself when they join. What sets this app apart is the flexibility it offers when it comes to withdrawing your earnings. You're provided with two convenient options. Either transfer your hard-earned cashback directly to your bank account, ensuring easy access to your money, or, if you prefer, opt for the purchase of gift cards, which offer a delightful way to indulge in further shopping or gift-giving. I have personally been a user of this app for over a week, and I must say, it is genuinely effective. Not only have I witnessed the seamless functionality firsthand, but I've also documented my exact earnings at the end of the accompanying video as a testament to its reliability. So why hesitate? Dive into a world of possibility, shop to your heart's content, and maximize your savings like never before. In addition, we would love to hear from you. Share with us in the comments your preferred shopping apps or websites. And finally, to continue receiving updates on more such amazing apps, we kindly ask you to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. By spreading the word, you enable us to continue bringing these valuable apps to the forefront, enriching your shopping experiences and enhancing your savings journey.